Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Simplex app step by step clearly. To install the Simplex app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Simplex and tap the search icon. Look for the official Simplex app in the search results. Ensure the app is developed by the correct publisher to avoid downloading a different application. Tap on the app icon to open the app page. On the app page, locate the Install button. If you're on an iPhone, you might see Get instead of Install. Tap the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Simplex app for the first time. If needed, grant the app any necessary permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You may need to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your details, tap on Sign Up or Log In. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to use the Simplex app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.